Microsoft Power Automate, the unified automation platform, now brings you Robotic Process Automation for desktop and web with a feature called UI Flows. With UI Flows in Power Automate, users can record and play back human interactions on software that do not use APIs. You can locate your saved UI flows with the features you already know and use, such as automated, button, scheduled, and business process flows in the My Flows tab. Let's take a look. Once you've signed up for Power Automate, you'll land on the home page. Here you can access different parts of the product. Now let's go ahead and test out some of the capabilities of UI Flow. In this scenario, we'll create a UI flow to perform a simple addition problem using inputs and outputs. Clicking on UI Flows, Desktop App, give my flow a name. I'm going to add a couple of inputs, sample data, this screen shows the steps that will be recorded in my UI flow. Launching the recorder, you'll see that it's docked at the top of the screen. Once I click record, every keystroke will be recorded. Opening up Calculator, using the inputs, I'm going to capture an output. Give it a name, and I'm done. Here you can see my calculator script has been captured. Every step and every keystroke. Clicking Save, I can also see the output that was collected. Let's watch the replay. There's calculator, my first input, my second input, there's my output. The green check mark means that my test is successfully run. There's my output. So you've seen how I've created a UI flow for desktop that shows how to use input and output parameters. From here, I can continue to enrich the automation by including more inputs, more outputs, and integrating with Power Automate, all without writing a single line of code. Don't forget to check out our other videos showing examples of the power of UI Flow and Power Automate.